Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about disclosing branded content on TikTok. So if it's branded content and you're going to need that check mark next to it, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your TikTok account and select the profile icon at the top right, select view profile if you're not on this page, and then select where it says creator tools. You have to be on the profile in order to see those additional options. That's the point of clicking on that seemingly twice. So the menu changes up here if you're not on the profile. But regardless, you want to then go underneath view analytics, select posts on the left panel, and then you can search for your posts up here, or you can find it down below and select the little edit button next to that post. Where it says disclose post content, if you need to have it disclosed, you will need to check mark your brand or branded content here. And if you click on a little information highlight, it says you're promoting yourself or your own business. Or if it's branded content where you are in a paid partnership with a brand, after posting the video, open your TikTok mobile app and link the campaign under video's ad settings. So that's if you're on the mobile app. You don't have to necessarily do that if you're uploading from the desktop PC version. Just to make sure that it's checkmarked in there, and then you would select save. And that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.